Om Shanti class. Today we are going to do trigonometry ratio of complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum is equals to 90 degree. It means if theta is one angle, then theta and 90 minus theta are two complementary angles. Now, just consider this right angle triangle. Now, this is 90 degree. So, the sum of the triangle is 180. If 90 is minus from it, it becomes 90. If I take this angle as theta, then this angle will be 90 minus theta. Is it clear to you, class? Now, if I take sine 90 minus theta, you know this is perpendicular and this is your hypotenuse. But if I take 90 minus theta as sine 90 minus theta, then you know this will become a perpendicular and this will become a base. So what is changing here? See, what is changing is base and the perpendicular. Okay, now just here sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. As I have told you, base and perpendicular are changing. Cos 90 minus theta will be sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. Again, you know why? I've told you perpendicular and base. It changes in sine and cos, sec and cosec. Now, what is tan? It is perpendicular upon the base. So, if they are changing, then tan 90 minus theta becomes cot theta and cot 90 minus theta will become your tan theta. Is it clear to you, class? Now, we have an example here. Sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. What can I write 18 degree as? Write 90 degree and minus 18 from it. What it will become if I'll minus it? It will become 72. So in place of 18, I can write it is sine 90 degree minus 72 degree upon cos 72 degree. You only have to change one, either the numerator or the denominator. Now this will become cos 72 degree, because right now I told you that cos 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Clear to you? Now this will cancel and it will come to 1. Okay, now let me come on to another example. It is sine 47 degree upon cos 43 degree whole square plus cos 43 degree upon sine 47 degree whole square minus 4 cos square 45 degree. Now, again what is 47? Same thing I'll write here. 90 degree minus the 47 degree. What will it become? 43 degree. So in place of 47, I can write 90 minus 43. So just see it is sine here. So what will I write? Sine 47. So in place of 47, I'll write it is 90 minus 43. 90 degree minus 43 degree upon cos 43 degree whole square plus cos 43. Now you leave it as it, and you know sine 47, I've told you we need to change either the numerator or the denominator. Now in place of 47 I can write 90 minus 43 degree. I've already told you this, right? Now for what is the value of cos 45? It is 1 upon root 2 whole square. See, sine 90 minus theta will become cos 90 minus 43, as you know, will become cos 43 degree upon cos 43 degree whole square plus cos 43 degree upon sine 90 minus 43 degree is your cos 43 degree whole square minus 4 into 1 upon 2. Right? Cos will cancel, it come to 1. Cos will cancel, it will come to 1. What is 1 whole square? 1 plus 1. 2 2's 2 ones are 2, 2 2's are 4, minus 2. So 2 minus 2, it comes to 0. I think this question is clear to you. Okay? Thank you, class.